Hello, my dear kids. How are you? Fine? Good. I hope you all are doing very well. So, kids, this is our revision video. In this video, you are going to learn the things that we have done the last week. So, let us start our revision video. Okay. So, kids, in last week, we first completed our PA1 worksheet, the remaining portion of PA1 worksheet, which was logical question answers and text based question, which I am not going to cover in this video as it was our revision sheet. So now I will start from our VAV English. So in last week, first we completed poem 4, that is Friends Are Special. So let us revise what we learned in the poem. So friends are special. We know that our friends are very special for us. Friends always care when you are in trouble. They are always there. So our friends are very special for us. They always care for us, and whenever we are in trouble, they are always there for us. Then friends are special. With you they stay. With you they laugh and sing through every new day. So friends are special for us as they stay with us. They stay with us, they laugh with us, they sing with us through every day. So every day, every new day, they stay with us, they laugh with us, and they sing with us. That is, they spend good time with us. So that is what we learn from this poem, that friends are very special for us and they always care for us, and they are always there when we are in trouble. And also they stay with us, they laugh and sing with us through every new day. Okay. Then we did our poem appreciation portion. So in that, first we did is tick the correct options to complete sentences. So we need to complete the sentences by ticking the correct option. So A, friends are special because they. So our friends are special for us because they. Yes, so that the correct option is option 1, always care. So friends are special because they always care. And now B, friends are always there. So our friends are with us. They are always with us when you are in trouble. So whenever you are in trouble, they are with you. Okay. So that is our question 1. Now question number 2, kids. That is, I gave this question as the homework. So in this, what you had to do was, so in helping hand we have some describing words like sweet, caring, loving, tall, intelligent, short, naughty, helpful, hardworking, and smart. Okay, so these words are describing words. So in this you had to describe your friend, that is आपको अपने friend के बारे में कि कैसा है वो, कौन सी qualities है उसमें, वो इन blanks में लिखनी थी. And I also asked you कि अगर आपके पास आपके friend का photo हो, so you can stick a photograph over here, or you can also write the name of your friend. Okay, so that is our question number 2. Now turn the page, kids, and we will revise our enrichment portion. So in enrichment portion, we learn about the language of friendship. So what should be the language that we should use, that is how to speak with our friends. So the first thing that we learn is ways to ask for help, how to ask for a help. Okay, if you want any help from your friend, then what should be the language? So you should ask as, can you help me? Can you give me a hand? Can you do me a favor? क्या आप मेरी हेल्प करेंगे? क्या आप मुझे हैंड देंगे? क्या आप ये मुझ पे एक फेवर करेंगे? That will you help me to walk in that way? So if you want any help from your friend, you should always use polite words, kids. Please remember this thing. ये मैंने आपसे ऑनलाइन क्लास में भी कहा था that always use polite words with your friends. Okay, don't be rude with your friends. Rudely बात नहीं करनी चाहिए अपने friends के साथ. You should be polite with your friends. Okay, so as you want a help, you should be polite with your friends and you should use polite words like this. Okay, so that is, can you help me? Can you please pass me a book? Okay, can you help me with my studies? So these are some of the questions, or these are some of the ways to ask for help. Now next thing is, if in any case, by any chance, if you hurt your friend, okay, knowingly or unknowingly, अगर आप जानबूझ के अगर आपने किया हो या बिना जाने अगर आपने किसी भी वे से अपने फ्रेंड को हर्ट किया हो, then you should say sorry to your friend. Okay, and in which way would you say? That is, I am sorry, please forgive me, I won't do it again. आपको ऐसा कहना चाहिए उसे कि प्लीज मुझे माफ कर दो, I am sorry, मैं ऐसी चीज वापस से रिपीट नहीं करूंगा या नहीं करूंगी. Okay, then ways to tell my friends how I feel. Whatever you feel about your friend, like, see, I like you, I like playing with you, I have fun when you are around. So whatever you feel, okay, when your friend is with you, so what should you say? That is, कि आपको क्या उसके साथ अच्छा लगता है, क्या करना अच्छा लगता है. अगर वो आपके साथ है तो आपको मजा आता है, that is, I have fun. But if your friend is not with you, then you should say, I missed you, or I miss you when you are not with me. So in that way you should tell whatever you feel about him or her. Then ways to tell my friends why I like him. So if you like your friend, then what are the reasons? क्या reason है उसका, that why you like him? So that is, you are nice, you are kind, you are helpful. So these are some of the ways to tell your friend why you like him. क्यों आप उसके friend हो and क्यों वो आपको पसंद है. So these are some of the ways that you should tell why you like your friend. Okay, so these are the 4 ways this is the language of friendship. That is, how to ask for a help, how to say sorry, how to say what you feel, and how to say why you like your friend. Okay, kids. So these are some of the ways to tell your friend. So after this we did I can read portion. So here we have a poem. 5 little ducks went out to play over the hill and far away. Mother duck said, quack, 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 but only 4 little ducks come swimming back. So this is our poetry, that is I can read portion. So kids, after the completion of poem 4, we started new unit, that is unit 5, travel. So let us revise that unit. So unit 5, kids, that is travel. I know each and every one of us love to travel, है ना. हम सबको travel करना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. We love to travel to new places, to see new places. वहाँ we like to eat the food that they eat. That means the people who live at that place, the type of food they eat. We like to see the types of clothes that they wear, right? Then, yes, what are places they have, or what do they do to entertain themselves. So these are some of the things that we learn when we travel. Traveling helps us to know many new things. When we travel, we learn many new things. हमें बहुत सारी चीज़ों के बारे में पता चलता है. As I said, हमें वहाँ का फूड, वहाँ के पीपल कैसा फूड ईट करते हैं वो पता चलता है. कौन से टाइप के क्लोथ्स वो पहनते हैं वो पता चलता है, ठीक है। कौन कौन सी उनके पास प्लेसेस है, एंड देयर आर मेनी स्टोरीज दैट माइट बी रिलेटेड टू दैट प्लेसेस। वो कुछ अगर वहाँ पर कोई प्लेस है सो वहाँ पर बहुत सारी उस प्लेस को लेकर कुछ स्टोरीज भी हो। Okay, so we come to know all about all these things when we travel. So we should travel to such new places so that we can learn certain things about that particular place. So our unit 5 is not different. That is, it is about travel. So here we have a story on a trip to Kerala. Okay, kids. So, A Trip to Kerala is a story about two kids, that is Abhay and Abba, who went on a trip to Kerala. And in this it is given what all things that they saw, what new things that they learn. Okay, so it is it. So in this unit we have phonics, that is ow sound. In grammar portion we have pronouns. In reading, A Trip to Kerala, as I said, a story of two kids. In vocabulary, we have travel words. In writing, we have travel brochure. And in poetry, we have giant, jumbo jet. Okay, so let us first start revision of the chapter with getting started activity. So here we have many pictures. Okay, or in getting started activity, we had to write these words by seeing the pictures. So we have to identify the picture and then write its word, then write the name of the picture in the given space. So see, first let us start with this picture. So as you can see, kids, it is a picture of a railway station. Why railway station? That is because it is a mode of transport. Mode of transport means a way to travel. Okay, so जिसकी हेल्प से हम one place to another place travel कर सकते हैं. So with the help of railway stations, at railway station we have trains. So train से travel कर सकते हैं ना हम. So that is it. So see, here trains, we have trains. So when we want to travel, we use trains. Not only trains, but we can even use buses, flights, and we can also travel from the car, that is our personal vehicles. Then next is, this is a picture of beach. Yes, see, it is very beautiful. So here people come to relax. Okay, बहुत सारे beaches बहुत ही beautiful होते हैं. They are very beautiful. So people come to see. So that is a beach. Now the next is, this is a picture of a lighthouse. See, lighthouse. We can see lighthouse where we have a sea or an ocean. जहाँ पर sea या तो ocean होता है. Okay, so basically at the beach only we can see a lighthouse. So lighthouse helps a ship, okay, to identify where is the land. क्योंकि यहाँ पे night में क्या होगा, light रोशनी आएगी, light निकलेगी इसमें से. So जो शिप होगा, जो शिप पे जो पीपल होते हैं, ओके, जो मेंबर्स होते हैं, यानी कि जो कैप्टन होता है, उसे पता चल जाएगा कि यहाँ पर लैंड है. सो वी नीड टू स्टॉप हियर. So that is it. Along with lighthouse, here see, you can see, kids, we have coconut trees. See, right? So that is a coconut tree. Then next picture is of martial art. Here two men are performing martial art. So martial art is basically a fight that used to take place before so many years, but now it is just for the entertainment. Then next is houseboat. This is a picture of a houseboat. So houseboat, as you know, houseboat is made up of wood and it floats in water, and we have a house on the boat. इस हाउस में bedrooms भी हो सकते हैं, kitchen भी हो सकता है. They even have, in some of the boats, they even have washrooms and bathrooms. Okay, so that is a houseboat. And next is, this is a picture of Kathakali. it is a picture of a, we can say not particularly Kathakali, it is a picture of a man who performs Kathakali. ओके एक मैन होता है जो इस तरीके से ड्रेसअप होता है. ओके लाइक यू कैन सी क्राउन, so much of makeup, that is coloring, types of the clothes he is wearing. Okay, so it is a picture of a man who is performing Kathakali. Kathakali is the folk dance of Kerala. Okay, वहाँ का folk dance है. It is a form of a dance. So form of a dance means type of a house. ये एक dance का type ही है. Okay, so from all these pictures, these all pictures are related to Kerala, kids. Okay, as we have railway station, beach, Kathakali, houseboat, then martial art. Okay, so these all pictures are related to Kerala. So that is our getting started activity. Now everyone, please turn your page and we will revise listening activity. Okay. Now in listening activity, kids, what we did is I said names of 4 dishes and you circled those dishes. Okay, so see kids, this is a plate, this is a banana leaf, and the people who live in Kerala, they use banana leaf as a plate. Okay, हम प्लेट में फूड लेते हैं अपना, but they consider banana leaf as their plate. Okay, so these are some of the food items that the people who live in Kerala eat. So this is puttu, this is dosa, that this we all know, we eat them. Then pathiri, lemon rice, idli sambar, this also we eat. Appam, okay. Then rasam and idiyappam. Okay kids, so these are some of the food items that the people of Kerala eat. ओके सो इसमें से मैंने डोसा, इडली सांभर, लेमन राइस एंड रसम जो है वो बोला था एंड आप सभी ने उस पर सर्कल भी किया था. सो दिस इज अवर लिसनिंग एक्टिविटी. नाउ आफ्टर लिसनिंग एक्टिविटी इन फोनिक्स वी हैव आउ साउंड. So whenever O and U, the letters O and U are together, so in most of the words they give ow sound. Okay, so here we have some words with ow, that is south. South, it is a direction. Then ouch. So this is ouch. So when we are hurt, जब हमें चोट लगती है, that time we say ouch. Then sound. This is lounge. Lounge नहीं कहना है. Don't say it as lounge. It is lounge. Okay, lounge. As you can see from the picture, it is a sofa. So in common language we call sofa, but the actual word is lounge. Then next picture is shout. Then we have some more words with ow sound. Round, found. Found is a past form of the word find, that is kuch ढूंढना. Then proud. Noun means in grammar we have nouns, right? That is naming words. Out and bounce. Then our exercise 1. So in this you had to complete these words by writing ow in the blanks given. So this is house, mouse, count, then on next page, mouth, loud and cloud. Okay, so that was our question 1. Now question number 2, color the words with the ow sound. So here we have to color those words in which there is ow sound. So here these 3 words, that is round, loud and about. So yes, in 3 of them we have ow sound. Then out, again, yes, it has ow sound. Then house, yes. Then next is home. No, in home we don't have ow sound, but we have long o sound. Yes, in this we have long o sound. Then you, no. Cloud, yes. Found, yes. Soup, no. Here we have letters O and U, but they don't give a sound ow. Okay. Then again, young. No, here also we have O and U together, but they don't give us sound ow. 4. Same. So, in three of them, they don't have ow sound. Then group. No. O and U are together, but they don't give ow sound. Mouth. Yes. Here we have ow sound. And root. No. In this word also we don't have ow sound. Okay, kids? So that is our phonics exercise. Now in A division, I have even started the language ladder, that is pronouns, and reading of the chapter has also been started. But in 3 still it is remaining. So वो मैं next revision video I will cover this language ladder and reading of the chapter. Okay, so this is all about this video, kids, this revision video. So please revise this video thoroughly, okay, and complete if any of this thing is remaining. Okay, kids, so bye bye and have a nice day.